The starter assembly is a quick and easy way to fix a worn or damaged starter. The starter assembly includes the parts that commonly wear out, such as the starter spring, rope, and the pulley. Replacing the starter assembly is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the old starter from the saw. Now I can install the new starter assembly. First, I'll place the fan cover onto the starter. Now I'll place the starter back onto the saw. Sometimes you'll need to pull the rope to get the starter pawls to engage with the starter, and then I can secure it with the screws. And now you know how to install a new starter assembly on your chainsaw. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.